Hey friends, if your keyboard is locked and you're not able to press any key and no key is working on your keyboard, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to check for the physical keyboard switch. So, you can press the function key, and there would be one of these F keys like F1, F2, F3, F4, which would look like a keyboard symbol. So, if you press the function key with that key, like in this case it's F11, then the keyboard will be locked, and when you press this combination once again it will get unlocked. However, if this doesn't work or if you have an external keyboard, then try using that external keyboard with a different computer, and if it works on a different computer then you have isolated the cause. Additionally, you can also check the external keyboard for batteries if it is a Bluetooth keyboard, and you can check it for Bluetooth connections if it doesn't connect using that dongle. So to check for this, right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and check all the Bluetooth devices here. The next solution is to check for filter keys and toggle keys and all. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down to keyboard and click on it. We have three switches for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Make sure that all three of them are switched off. The next solution is to check the keyboard physically for damages or dirt, and if there is any damage or dirt then please get it fixed or remove the dirt. And if it is a wired keyboard then check for the connections, it should be connected. After this, the last solution will be to update your driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list of keyboard drivers. You'll find something called as HID keyboard device. Right click on it and select update drivers. Click on search automatically for drivers. Once this is done, you can also update any other keyboard driver here. Now I don't have a PS2 keyboard, otherwise I would have updated the second one too. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.